on a waterfall.
Come on.
Come on.
No way, Jose.
Yes way.
No.
It's an old water mill, buddy. We'll show you when we get there, okay? We're like in a farmland in the middle of Croatia right now, and they have all these fruits and vegetable stands. So we just got fresh peach juice, fresh fig jam, peaches, tomatoes, fresh olive oil, and they grow all of that on this guy's farm here. This is like a big farming community, and he said they call it the Little California. They grow everything here except for bananas.
It's quite the place.
Oh man, it's so cool. Welcome to the little town of Rastoke. It is something out of a fairy tale. This place is incredible, and we had the privilege of staying here for a couple of days, and it was absolutely amazing. So the place, the Airbnb that we're staying at, is actually a 300-year-old water mill, and it is actually built on top of a waterfall. So if you're coming to the Plitvice Lakes, I would totally recommend staying here. I had read a little tiny blurb on TripAdvisor, and that is what turned me on to coming here. Someone said you have to stay in Rastoke if you come, and I'm so glad I found that little sentence. So thank you to whoever wrote that, because this place has been absolutely amazing. At the Plitvice Lakes today, up in Croatia, and it is gorgeous. Mason, what's your favorite part about the Plitvice Lakes?
Fishes.
The fishes?
The mountain is this big.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're seeing tons of fish, waterfalls.
Wait, what'd you say?
A fish this big.
Have you seen a fish that big?
No.
No? That'd be cool to see one.
We're joking, we got our money's worth out of this park.
That was the longest walk. It was, I think, like 5.5 miles on the map. But after you take into account all the switchbacks,
2 kids,
going all the rocks, 2 kids, carrying actually like 60 pounds on your back, that's more like 10 miles that we just walked right there.
hiked, not even
Hiked.
walked.
And we're not big hikers, so, but we had fun. We had fun.
We're not big hikers, but we love hiking, so this was actually
Well, no, we don't
enjoyable.
do a lot of hiking, so we're not like in hiking shape.
The boys did really well.
I had fun. It was a lot
Mason
of fun.
walked probably 2 of those miles. We thought we were gonna be here for like maybe 2 hours, see a couple waterfalls, and one trail turned into the next, and another trail, and a ferry.
And there's a lot of people here too. That's the other thing. There's a line.
We got here early though, so yeah.
We did.
Key to the
There are a lot
lakes
of
is you gotta get here really early.
I'm going.
And it's a long walk, but it was beautiful. It was gorgeous. The sun just came out, so it was cloudy the whole time, which really, really helped. And these little guys were such troopers. Ethan.
Ethan, what do you think? What do you think, big guy? You don't know what to think. Mason, what do you think?
We conquered it.
We did. Nice job, baby.
Oh, he
Whoa,
almost
whoa,
just fell off.
easy there. What do you think, kiddo? How'd you do? You did awesome, dude.
Missed.
Look at that. You got some snacks.
Yeah. Magic.
Aw, look how cute you guys are in your matching swimsuits. When in Europe, buy some European. When in Europe, buy some European swimsuits.
Anything you want? Any last words you want to say?
Catch me.
Catch you. Okay. 2, 3, go!
Oh my, even colder.
What'd you catch, buddy?
A fish.
You caught a fish. Can you show it to me? Oh, there it is.
Look at you, big boy.
Yeah.
Might be the coolest place I've ever cooked a dinner before. Got the grill going, the wood. Got waterfalls all around us. Mason's just Huckleberry Finn over there.
Mason, where you at?
I'm right here. I want to watch the river again.
There you are. Good job, buddy. Good work.
Chicken, veggies, and potatoes.
Daddy even did the grocery shopping today. Ain't that right?
Yep, bought a whole chicken, gizzards and all.
It wasn't the gizzards.
Figured out how to butcher that baby and get it on the grill.
This